What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I'm Jacob, and if you've never been here before, it's because you've never had a reason to, and you might never have another reason again. But I thought I'd do something fun today. As a lot of you know, I've been very addicted to disc golf for the last 6 months, and so I thought I'd represent the best frisbee thrower of all time, Mr. Captain America. But B, there's a company called Discmania that produces a lot of discs, and on Black Friday, they had a mystery box situation go out where they had some small mystery boxes, some large ones, and I decided why not go ahead and buy a large mystery box. And I'm going to open it and you're going to discover with me what I get. Supposedly there's like 8 to 9 discs and who knows what else. So let's see what's going on inside. Just, the cover. That's cool. Happy holidays. Some very elegant wrapping with even the mystery box logo on it. So up first we have an Evolution Link. I was just informed over the weekend, I was at a tournament in San Diego, Escondido, that the Evolution is Discmania's partnership with Latitude 64, maybe Legacy. Somebody hit me up in the comments, let me know what's what. But anyway, the Link Extra Soft XO plastic. Little 2301 action. I'm not actually a fan of this kind of plastic. It just feels real rubbery to me. So it's a cool disc, little rainbow stamp. So it'll be cool to look at least. So we'll see what happens there. Next up, an Evolution Origin mid-range driver. I'm pretty sure I just bought one at the tournament last weekend. But I think it's supposed to be a little bit overstable, 174 grams. I tend to throw a lot of Rock 3 and Wasp, and those tend to be fairly stable, except for me. They haven't been. They've been holding their lines and not being more overstable like I like, and I think these are supposed to be a little bit more overstable. So we'll see if we get that in the rotation. We got a X'd out, I think it's I have no idea. Nope, it says it on here. X'd out C-Line FD. You probably can't read that, but little X'd out action, no stamp, but that's cool. An FD Fairway Driver. I acquired one, was thinking about acquiring one. Their FDs are pretty popular, so I wanted to check that out. But we got the nice see-through red color there. That's C-Line plastic. I am a fan of C-Line plastic. Basically the same thing as Champion from Innova, and I really like that feel. So that's cool. What do we got here? Another X'd out. This one is a C-Line MD2. So another mid there. I've never owned an MD, I don't think. Well, actually, the Iron Samurai is a MD. I don't remember if it's a 2 or 3, but yeah, and the C-Line plastic though, so that'll be cool to use. We got just a blank stamp, straight up Discmania, and it is a G-Line PD2. So I already have an S-Line PD2. So having a G-Line one, the S-Line really was my favorite driver for a while. It's still pretty high up there, and so we'll see what this G-Line plastic does. 175, so normal weight, that's cool. Ooh, this is actually a sweet stamp. I am all about that. What do we got though? A Tactic, 176 grams. Little mid-range. I forget exactly what the numbers are on the Tactic, but I like that. That's a clean white. I'll go with that. Ooh, bright pink. That one, that's a clean look. I like that. Active Premium Magician. You see that? I have no idea what that means. Gonna have to do some research later and see what that is. Feels kind of like a Fairway Driver, maybe a 7-speed. I still don't know how to tell the feel between stable and overstable, so we'll work on that. But what, that was disc number 7 already, so that's cool. Disc number 8, another pretty clean stamp here. We have a Method, so that's handy. I just love how these look, and those are pretty good feels too. I like how that one feels. That's not that exoplastic or anything like that. I forget what it is, but for that, and last, nope, there's still another one at the bottom, but this is just straight black coloration going on here. An Essence. I really gotta dig up the rules on these things. I don't remember what these discs are, So I'm gonna have to look that up. But it feels like another, probably about a 9-speed, kind of has a Thunderbird feel to it. So that's a cool looking disc for that. All right, got our Discmania mystery box sticker. Always, if you've never ordered from Discmania before, they always throw in a Jolly Rancher. So clutch coming in with the grape right there. I'm gonna put that to the side and eat that later. Got a limited edition pin. Can't see what it is yet. I might as well. We're gonna open it. Am I gonna embarrass myself when I be able to open it? Yep. So we'll deal with that later. And the bottom, the thing pulls out. The creme de la creme, I think they say for last, wrapped in plastic. A Majesty distance driver. Ooh, look at that stamp. She is a boss. Yes, Your Majesty. 13.5 -22, so that's got some pretty good action on it. Those are Zeus-ish numbers, I believe. Now -2, that's more Valkyrie, huh? Wow. I'm excited to get out there and throw that, but even look, I'm gonna take it out. I should take it out of the plastic. She's got her little staff thing, and it's got a disc golf basket on it. She got some birds flying around. That is a very classy lady. Looks like she might be thrown pretty good. Put her back in the plastic, and there you go. Pretty excited about these new discs. If you know me, play with me, you'll probably see me throw them. My bag is slowly becoming a little bit more Discmania oriented, but I do still have a lot of Discraft and Innova. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to get this collection of colors out there. Look at the colors. That's pretty sweet. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. Let me know if this content is good. I don't know, might do some vlogs in the future, or I might not touch YouTube again for years. We'll see what happens. But anyway, thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you next time.